Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you know the ways to fix login error in line messaging app. In order to fix login error in your line messaging app, you just have to follow these simple steps. Now first thing first, open up your application and click the login button. As you do that, you could either log in with your QR code or log in with another method. That is either with Apple ID or with your phone number or with your Google account. So I'm going to go ahead and use my phone number. So make sure to type in that. You'll be taken to the field where you have to go ahead and enter your password or one password. So basically, to fix the login error, what you can do is first thing first, you can click the I button next to the password so that you could check the password and confirm that it's correct. Apart from it, what else you could do is you could also try recreating your password. So for that, you could go and click on forgot password and they will be instructing you on how you could reset your password. Now other than that, if you're still facing issues, then it might be server issue. So that's how you could fix your login error in the line messaging app. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.